to today's math video. Today for math, your goal, your objective is I can identify groups of 10 and extra ones. Now we've done a topic like this before, so I'll link it in the description box below. I'll also link a couple counting videos and math songs that'll be helpful for you for this lesson. So when you're counting the group of 10s and the extra ones, I want you to make sure to count slow. A lot of times we make silly mistakes when we're trying to count super fast. Also, if you have 10, remember to circle it, and circle it nicely. I'll show you what I mean in a little bit. And then count your extras. The extras are called ones. We're going to call them extra ones for today. So let me skedaddle. We have a few practice problems to do, and then I can link a few for you to do at the end of the video, but I also want you to work with a sibling, a cousin, or someone in your family to help you with an assignment, and I'll talk more about that in a second. So, wouldn't be a video without my board falling. I have some dots here, and we're going to count them slowly. As soon as we get 10, we're going to circle it and make a group of 10, okay? So go ahead and count with me. Let's get ready. You ready? 1. Now notice I'm crossing them out as I count them so I know which ones I counted and which ones I didn't. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10, I'm going to circle them. Now I'm going to try and keep my circling nice and neat. If we make it too messy, it's kind of touching these ones, it's going to really confuse you. So this right here, this circle, is a group of 10. Now inside my one group, I have 10 dots. How many groups do I have? Perfect. Now this part can always be a little tricky. So you're right, we have one group. I have my one group that has 10 dots inside of it. So for the 10s, I'm going to put 1, 10, because we have our one group, and now we're going to count the extra ones. So all the ones that couldn't fit into our circle, we're going to count them and write them down. Let's go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, my marker's getting a little crazy. Poor thing, only has a little bit of ink left. So we have 1, 10, and 4 extra ones. These 4 could not fit in our group of 10 because we already had 10. Our group was full. Now, there's only 4 here. We don't have enough to make another group of 10. So they don't get circled. They're just by themselves over here. Let's go ahead and do one more practice. So I want you to count with me. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what do we do once we have 10? We circle it. Good job. That is my group of 10. Now, how many of these groups do I have? Wonderful. I only have one group of 10. So now let's count the extra ones. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many extras did I have? Great job. I had 8 extras. Now, why didn't I circle these 8 down here? How come I didn't circle them? You are so smart. You're right, because there's not 10 of them. I can only circle a group when there's 10 to make my group of 10. We have one group of 10 and 8 extra ones, which in total is 18. Good job. I'll put a picture assignment at the end of the video. Also, let me explain to you how a family member can help work with you to make your assignment. So, if you're going to have an older sibling or cousin or mom or dad, grandma or grandpa help you, it's important to tell them, and they can watch this part of the video, that they can't do more than 20. So if your older brother tries to draw 100 circles, you tell him, no, thank you, sir, no more than 20 for now. Now, if working with numbers between 20 is super easy for you, then maybe they can draw more, but for now, no more than 20 circles. When your family member draws the circles, I don't want them like that, to where it looks kind of like a blob. I want some spaces between the circles, and of course, if they're that tiny, that's going to be a no because that's way too small, okay? So medium circles with space in between them. They can draw up to 20, and then your job is to count them, circle the group of 10 and count how many extra ones you have. Now, if you don't have any pencil or paper or things like that at your house, you can use little dried pinto beans, but make sure to ask before you just go ahead and grab part of your dinner. So you can get some pinto beans and count them out. You can get some cereal puffs, crackers, but again, make sure to ask before you use any food and try not to waste it. And if you're able to eat it afterwards, then go ahead and eat it. And don't forget to send pictures of your work. I miss you guys. I wish we could be together in the classroom, and I hope you have a great day.